Hey guys, I'm Allison, and today I wanted to recreate this look that I did via color pencil and eyeshadow. I haven't done anything like this in a while, so bear with me in terms of like camera, lighting, video style. I don't live here, so this probably won't happen too frequently, but I thought I might as well take advantage of the space while I have it. That's it. So yeah. So first I'm gonna prime my face. Next, I like to do foundation, so I'm using Makeup Forever Ultra HD. Okay, I changed my mind. Talking through this is like really freaking awkward, so I'm just gonna do my thing and see where it goes.
Oh, I bet you think you're John Wayne, showing up, shooting down everybody. You're classic in the wrong way, and we all know the end of the story. 'Cause everyone knows someone who kills the buzz every time they open up their mouth. Yeah, everyone knows someone who knows someone who thinks they're cooler than everybody else. I think we've seen enough to know that you ain't never gonna come down. Why don't you giddy up, and ride straight out of this town? You and your heart, you and your heart. I bet you think you're first place. Yeah, someone should give you a ribbon and put you in the Hall of Fame for all the games you think that you're winning. 'Cause everyone knows someone who kills the buzz every time they open up their mouth. Yeah, everyone knows someone who thinks they're cooler than everybody else. Well, I think we've seen enough to know that you ain't never gonna come down. Why don't you giddy up, and ride straight out of this town? You and your heart, ooh, you and your heart. Darling, you take the high horse and I'll take the high road. If you're too good for us, you'll be good riding solo. Well, I think we've seen enough to know that you ain't never gonna come down. Why don't you giddy up, and ride straight out of this town? You and your heart, ooh, you and your heart, heart, heart. You ain't never gonna come down.
I actually think it was more successful than I thought it would be. Yeah, that's it. Have a good New Year. Bye!